Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the coolant level for this VW Touareg first generation. So over here we have a 2.5 liter engine, diesel engine, and on the left we have this cap over here that you have to unplug. You have to be very careful if the engine is hot. Very careful when you're doing that. It's good if you have a something to put on, so you don't have you're not going to have any burns, because this fluid can go to 100 degrees. So in my situation I have to fill up a little bit with coolant fluid, because I don't have too much. So we're going to do that now. So this is how you can check the coolant for this VW. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, I believe I can see that. So yes, I believe you can see a little bit now. Right where the yellow mark is, that is the maximum level. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.